Imagine building a tunnel 30 meters below one of the most powerful rivers in the world, the Yellow River, and completing it in just 110 days. Sounds impossible, right? Well, that's exactly what China did. In under 4 months, they constructed a 5.7-kilometer, 6-lane highway tunnel beneath a river known for its unpredictable and treacherous conditions. No other project of this scale has been completed in such a short time. This isn't just about digging through rock and sediment. It's about innovation, precision, and pushing the limits of what we thought was possible. In this video, I'm going to take you inside one of the most extraordinary engineering feats of the 21st century. From overcoming massive technical challenges to building a tunnel that's twice the size of the famous Channel Tunnel, you'll see how cutting-edge technology, creative solutions, and unparalleled speed turned a dream into reality. You're about to witness how a city's infrastructure was transformed in less than 4 months. Something most people thought was unachievable. Stick with me, because what I'm about to share will change how you look at modern engineering forever. Let's dive deeper into the project. This wasn't just about building any tunnel. It was about creating a solution to a serious problem. Jinan, the city where the tunnel was built, had been struggling with terrible traffic jams. The Yellow River divided the city, and crossing it was slow and crowded. People had to wait for ferries, which weren't always reliable. It was clear that something had to change. That's when China decided to build a tunnel right beneath the river, a bold and risky plan. The Gannan-Huanggang Tunnel needed to be fast and efficient. With the river's unpredictable conditions, engineers had to make sure it was completely safe. The project had a tight deadline. It had to be completed quickly to help the city's growing needs, but without making any mistakes. One mistake could flood the whole tunnel. So, the team worked around the clock, making sure every detail was perfect. To get the job done, they used a massive machine called the Shan Shield. This wasn't just any tunnel boring machine. It was huge, weighing over 5,000 tons. The TBM, tunnel boring machine, wasn't only for digging, it also built the tunnel as it went along. It worked 24/7, chewing through rock and soil while installing the tunnel's concrete lining in real time. What makes this even more impressive is how quickly it was done. The entire underwater section of the tunnel was completed in just 110 days. No major failures, no delays. Everything went according to plan. By December 19, 2024, the tunnel was ready. It was a massive success and an example of what's possible when advanced engineering and technology come together. Now, let's take a closer look at the tunnel's key features. This wasn't just a basic tunnel, it was a high-tech, efficient solution. The tunnel is 5.7 kilometers long and has a massive diameter of 17.5 meters. To put this in perspective, that's more than double the size of the famous Channel Tunnel between the UK and France. But size wasn't the only thing that made this tunnel special. It's a 2-level highway with 3 lanes going in each direction. This design keeps traffic flowing smoothly, even during rush hours, and cuts down travel time dramatically. What used to be an hour-long traffic jam is now just a 5-minute drive. Now, let's talk about how this tunnel was built to last. The engineering behind it is nothing short of genius. When you're building a structure 30 meters under a river, the pressure is enormous. But the Gannon-Huanggang Tunnel was designed to handle it all. The walls are made of heavy-duty prefabricated concrete segments. Each one weighs tons, and they're locked together like giant puzzle pieces. This design spreads the pressure evenly, making sure the tunnel remains intact, even if the river shifts. And then there's the waterproofing. At 30 meters deep, groundwater pressure is intense, about 7.5 bars. That's strong enough to flood the entire tunnel in a matter of seconds, if there's even the slightest leak. But engineers thought ahead. The tunnel's multi-layered waterproof system ensures water stays out. In case something does go wrong, there's an advanced drainage system and emergency shutoff barriers that can seal off sections of the tunnel instantly, preventing a disaster before it even starts. Of course, building a tunnel like this isn't just about keeping water out. It's also about making sure the traffic inside flows smoothly and safely. This tunnel was designed with the latest safety features in mind. The ventilation system is state-of-the-art. It uses smart sensors to monitor air quality and adjusts the airflow as needed. This ensures the air inside the tunnel is always fresh and breathable for drivers. But what if something goes wrong? What if there's a fire or an accident inside? Well, the tunnel has it covered. It's equipped with automatic fire suppression systems, emergency exits, and fire-resistant escape routes. If anything happens, people can get out quickly and safely. And the most futuristic part of this tunnel is the AI-driven monitoring system. Dozens of high-speed cameras and sensors constantly track every vehicle in the tunnel. If there's an accident, a breakdown, or even a sudden stop, the system detects it immediately. It then alerts traffic control and adjusts signals or dispatches emergency teams. This kind of real-time response is what makes this tunnel so incredibly safe. So, in the end, the Gannon-Huanggang Tunnel isn't just a tunnel. It's a marvel of modern engineering. It's a testament to what can be achieved when technology, innovation, and sheer willpower come together. In just 110 days, China turned an impossible idea into a reality. The future of infrastructure isn't something we'll see in the distant future. It's already here, making our cities smarter, safer, and more efficient than ever before. Let me know what you think in the comments. And if you want to keep up with mega projects like this, don't forget to hit subscribe.